All right, we're going to delete all these sub accounts without having to go in GHL and click around. And I'm using Claude here, but this is built to use whatever subscription that you already pay for. Unlike OpenClaw, for example, where you get millions of tokens and use them to do things. And by the way, a million tokens sounds like a lot, but that's easily a half day's work. Or in plain terms, it could be 50 bucks a day. So imagine a full month. That adds up pretty quick. And that's why we built this. We needed it. And we believe that it should be available to anyone who wants to save time and money. So let's jump in. We'll delete these. And I really wanted to make this just to show, this is a very powerful tool. And it's very important that we have a human in the loop, which is me, or you if you're using this. And we don't want AI just running wild in our business. So I've already told it we need to delete these safely. And now I can look at these. I want to see the list. Okay, I see all these. I know what I'm deleting. And I've already said don't delete the contacts in any other sub account. I only want to delete these. And so obviously if you're deleting a bulk amount of sub accounts, hopefully you're not losing a bulk amount of clients. This use case is usually when you're testing things and you can get rid of them all at once instead of going around and clicking a bunch of times. It's super annoying. But this is the last command that I want to give to make sure that I'm going to stay in control of what's being deleted. So yes, you can delete these, but you're forbidden from going into any other sub account or deleting anything outside of this list. And that is just the final way that I can make sure I'm not going to delete anything else, because that would really suck. So we'll let it run through its thing, and now I don't have to go in, go through all the pages, click around, go back, click around, blah, blah, blah. It's just ridiculous. And look at that. In seconds, we can delete these. Now I can go back and continue my testing. And this is how we make it easier to do the work and get the wins.